Today we're going to learn how to make a 4th of July fruit cobbler. You're going to need milk, flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, butter, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Always make sure you wash your fruit before you cook with it. Grab a 9-inch square pan. Next, grab 4 tablespoons of butter. Although this step isn't necessary, I recommend cutting up the butter and spreading it around so it'll melt easier. Grab your pan and place it in the oven. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is heating up, the butter will melt. Now you're going to want to grab a medium-sized bowl. In this bowl, you're going to mix up 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I decided to use a 1/4 teaspoon because I'm going to need that for the salt as well. And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to want to completely mix all of your dry ingredients. Pour in 3/4 cup of milk. Now you're going to want to mix the batter until it's completely smooth. Now you're going to want to get your pan. At this point, the butter should be completely melted. Pour all of the batter into the pan and make sure it gets spread around evenly. Add about 3 cups total of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Place the pan in the oven for about 55 minutes. The cobbler should be nice and golden and have a very fruity smell. Thanks for watching!